and welcome to the first class, the basic class. We're going to learn the basics of bachata. Bachata is a dance based on a music with an 8 count. We count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In the 4 and in the 8, I do a tap, and in between, I step. Look at the basic. We start with a left tap, and we're going to do open, close, open, tap, other side, 2, 3, tap. It's a step with a weight, step with a weight, step, in, tap, step, weight, step, weight, step, weight, in, tap. Now, whatever we do in bachata, we're going to do it with 3 steps and a tap. So, for example, let's do the basic turn. Also, 3 steps and a tap. Let's start with the left. We're going to open, close, open, tap, and to the other side. Open, close, open, tap. Make sure to rotate with the entire body, with your entire frame, like this. And don't let your legs go like this or the body to go before you. It's always supposed to be the entire body, your entire frame with the legs. One more tip. Whenever we dance bachata, it doesn't mean that you are like this on the real life. You can be like this when you're standing or like this as a person. But when we dance bachata, we want to be upright. We open our chest. We bend our knees a little bit and make sure to don't put a lot of weight on our heels. We don't put any weight on our heels. Just a bit forward, open your chest, relax your knees. Let's do one more basic step before we go to partner work. 5, 6, basic. 1, 2, 3, basic and basic turn. 1, 2, other side. 5, 6, 7, 8. Great job, guys! Now you are dancing bachata. So when we go to partner work, ladies, followers, make sure that you start with your right leg, and leaders, we're starting on the left leg. To do it together, we are going to learn about open position, the most basic position that's called open position with a spidey grip. Our hands are like this, like Spider-Man, but opened, and the leader will place his hands in front of me, and I will put my hands on his hands and relax a little bit.
Great. Now, when we are together, we need something more to connect between us. This is the contra and the frame. What is that? The tension that we create together. Because to understand each other in the dance, we need this tension to lead and to follow, because we can't speak while we're dancing, so we need this language together to control one another. So, in this position, in the spidey grip, I want you, followers, and leaders first, I want you to open your chest and slightly to push inside and a little bit up, like here. Don't do it with power, just do it with your upright, like this.
Ladies, we do the same thing, but we push down and out. We do this. Not with my hands, but with my chest.
Now try it together, like do the spider grip like normal here, like there is no tension, there is nothing. And now open your chest together. You're supposed to feel here the tension in your arms and in your hands. And now you will feel connected to one another, that if I will do something, she will do something also.
Let's take it to the basic step. We're going to move with our entire frame together and do a basic. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. And 5, 6, 7, 8.
Let's do it from here. 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3. See that our frame is steady. We are not moving our arms. It's steady. We are doing the open legs, and then we close on the 2, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. We are both upright with a steady frame. It's very, very important.
Guys, I know it's tempting to move your entire body because we're dancing, but the key to bachata is hip movements. And we're going to learn a little bit more about this further on, but for now, understand that if your frame will be steady, then you can move your hips. But if it will be fluid, it will feel awkward. So, steady frame, hips relaxed. Now let's understand the basic turn. In order to turn, you need to signal the lady that something is going to happen. And this is why we do a preparation. It is a signal before the action. For a basic turn, we signal on the 3. We're going to do 1, 2. On the 3, we take our hand up and tap. Guys, whenever you take the hand up, you need to make sure it's about the height of your lady.
Yeah, don't do it too high or too low. Okay, you need to do it in a way she's feeling comfortable.
Yes.
Okay, and guys, one more thing. When you put your arms up, make sure that your back end is facing up, not like that.
Yes.
Now we're going to do it here. And my elbow is facing outside, not inside.
Ladies, I close my fingers a little bit more. I don't hold the fingers, but I close it a little bit more in order to create a C shape. Not the classic Spidey, but a C.
Yes. Now, to do the turn, we like painting a small circle around the
aura, you know?
Yeah. So we are going to do that. We have 1, 2, 3, the preparation. And now, while we do the basic step, we do 5, 6, 7, tap. Make sure we are continue to do the basics, because if not, she will stay on the spot. So, let's do it one last time. We have 1, 2, 3, preparation, and then we go 5, 6, 7. Make sure to move your hand down at the end, and then finish with a tap. Perfect. Let's do one last time with the basic and the preparation. Nicely done. You're dancing bachata. 5, 6, 7, basic. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. Prepare. 2, 3. Basic turn. I ask the end. 1, 2, 3, and to the other side. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7.